Welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at it's a professional smartphone camera rig. So this is how it comes in a box, just like you see here. I did purchase this myself just to be clear and transparent. And I did open it up already. It was all shrink wrapped, just to let you know how it comes. But this is pretty much what it is. And let's just go over it real quick. I want to show you a little bit about it and how I'm going to use it. And I really think it might be a good idea, maybe something for you to invest in. It's not a lot of money, but I have to tell you, it solves a lot of problems. And those two things in my book really add up to a really good situation. So it comes in a bag, like it just shows you, gives you an idea how you set up your rig, cameras, lights, microphones. And a lot of times when you're shooting, especially with the phones today, you can do so much with your phone, but it's hard to have full control. So this gives you full control with this rig. I like it. You got two hands on it. It's got multiple cold shoes. It's got 3 cold shoes. It's got all kinds of adapters, 1/4-inch adapters. I think these are 1/4-inch. One on the bottom. And also comes with a handle. So if you want to do something like this with a handle, you can just pop this right on like this. You just screw it right down. And you can hold it. So if you're used to holding something with a handle, you can actually hold it like this as well when you're shooting. So you can, a couple different options for holding it, or you can hold it like this. But most importantly, I have to say, I mean, this is okay. This is cool. And also on the bottom as well. So you want to screw it to a quick release. So you can have this quick release, put it on here, go out and get a shot, put it back on the tripod. So there's a lot of versatility with this type of item. But let's talk about how I'm going to use it. What I'm going to use it for is there's a couple different things that I do when I shoot my videos. Is that I want to be able to have accessibility to put different options on, as well as to be able to hold it. Now it does come with a spring-loaded. You can see this is spring-loaded. It'll fit pretty much any phone, and you can lock it into place just like this. There's a lock, which is nice. So it has a lot of versatility. Honestly, it's made out of good quality plastic. It's not cheap at all. It's made very, very well. And let me just give you an example. I'm going to show you the setup how I would do it, and this is just an example. So let's just put this phone on. Let's get it on camera, on video. So here's the phone, right? So I would basically, what I would do is I would pop it in here just like that, right? And that is pretty much, as you can see here, now you have a lot of control, right? You can see with my hand, you can do a lot of shots. There's a wide angle shot here. So you can move it around. You can, a lot of versatility, a lot of control. Now you have a lot of control. So now you have all these different cold shoes. So, okay. So now let's say you have this is an iPhone, 14 Pro Max, but if you have the 15 or 16, I think it is, you can actually put an accessory pack on the back and USB-C and all kinds of cool stuff. But I'm just going to give you an example. So here is a shotgun microphone I'm popping on. So now you can see I have a shotgun microphone. And now, okay, so maybe I need some light. All right, perfect. Here's another one right here. Now I can pop in a light. Now you can see how fast you're using up these cold shoes, right? Now you got a cold shoe for the light. Now you got a microphone, and now you have a light. Now that is pretty cool. I mean, I think that's awesome. I love that. The versatility is amazing. It has a lot of space here on the side. So a lot of times I'm shooting, I have a DJI a wireless microphone. So I have room here for my microphone. So I can just move this over a little bit. If I want it, I just can move it over a little bit like that. And then I can pop in my wireless microphone just like that. And then I can just recenter it. And now I have a wireless microphone. I have a shotgun microphone if I want to do double, split up the audio. And now I have a light. And if it's too close to your hand over here, you can actually just squeeze it over a little bit like that in the center. Now you can get an idea. Now you can get all kinds of cool shots, all you want. Very, very easy. This is a really nice device. I think it solves a multitude of problems, especially when you're shooting. A lot of the newer cameras have the, like I said, the USB-C in the back. You can actually put a breakout. You can record on the actual drives, on flash drives. You can put your microphone in. You can do so many things. You just need to place things to put stuff, right? And that's what's kind of missing. So I think that this is well worth the money. Now, there'll be a link down below. It is a small affiliate link, and it does help support my channel. Everything I do raise goes back into the channel, so just to let you know, be fair and transparent. I did purchase this myself. This was not given to me by the company, but I wanted to make a video, and I wanted to show you the options you have. And you can see the front of it. Now you get the full camera lens availability. You can put different lenses on here. There's plenty of room for motion and moving all around, which I really like quite a bit. Also has some screws on the side, so if you want to do like a vertical, so you can do vertical video as well. So you can see that you can do the vertical, you can do horizontal. It's got so much versatility, and it's got this locking mechanism here, so you want to lock this down so it doesn't fall out. But this is spring loaded and it holds it in no problem. I've had no problem with my phone moving in and out, no issues whatsoever. Let me just unloosen that up. Let me take out the phone, take that out. So you can see how cool this really is. I like this device quite a bit. It has, again, a lot of versatility, a lot of flexibility, and most importantly, it's inexpensive and solves a multitude of problems. And that's what I really love about this item. So let's take all the stuff off. So you can see shotgun microphones, lights, whatever you want. It'll work on this with no issues whatsoever. So this is what it is. This is how it comes. It comes with a handle, just like you see here. And I definitely going to give this an A+ for the price point, for the money, and for the versatility alone. To have something like this that you can do multiple things, cold shoes, wireless microphones, whatever you want, handheld, tripod mount, vertical, horizontal. I mean, just a lot to it, and for not a lot of money. So again, there'll be a link down below. Check it out. I guess it is an affiliate link that does help support my channel. And also there'll be a link right here for the product right there. So check out that link, check out the product, and go right ahead. It costs you nothing to purchase it. I do get a small commission that does help support my channel. So I appreciate your time as always. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of video. Also, there's a super thanks down below. There's a heart right there. If you would like to support my channel, please go ahead and do so. That really helps me out quite a bit as well. So I can continue making these videos and buying just different unique things to help you on your journey with wherever it may be. Then that's really what it's about. So I love to help and learn and teach and educate and just give you some advice. And it's a good quality item. I'll just give you a quick measurement so you know. This is approximately 9 3/4 inches wide, and the depth is approximately a little 5 1/8, right around there. And it's very lightweight and good quality plastic. It's not going to break on you. I think this is going to be a keeper for quite a while. And I'm going to keep this one. I like it. I like the handle too. You never know if you need a handle. Great to have. And also it's versatile with all different things. Okay, guys, appreciate your time as always. See you at the next review, and thanks for watching.